How to change your Bitmoji gender on Snapchat. In this video, guys, I'm going to be walking you through on how you can change your Bitmoji gender on Snapchat. So go ahead and open your Snapchat. When you open your Snapchat, I want to click on the profile showing above your screen. So click that. When you click that, click on where it says settings, or rather the setting icon showing just above your screen. So go ahead and click that. When you click that, I want you to scroll a little bit and click where it says Bitmoji. When you open your Bitmoji, guys, you can see this is the male gender. So the first thing I want to do is go ahead and click on remove my Bitmoji. So when you click on remove my Bitmoji, go ahead and remove it. So as you can see, guys, my Bitmoji has been removed. So you can go ahead and create a new character. So when you are creating a new character, you can go ahead and select the gender you want to select. As you can see, guys, I'm selecting this gender. So that's the female gender. So I've switched from a male gender to a female gender. As you can see, guys, just go ahead and do that. When you do that, you can go ahead and select and edit it the way you want it. So when you do this, just go ahead and click on where it says save. So I don't want to change my gender on Snapchat, so I'm not going to click on save. But when you save it, it's going to automatically switch to your female gender or your male gender, anyone you want. So I hope this video is helpful. If this video is helpful, don't forget to click the like and subscribe button to support the channel. See you on the next one.